Hi there, this is Fixed It. In these videos you've seen me take the carpet up, use it as a template for the vinyl flooring, lay the vinyl flooring and allow it to settle, and now I'm going to set about sealing it. I'm happy with it. I'm going to seal it down and I'll put the proper strip down. As you can see, I've just gone around the edges with silicon-sealant. It clears up any gaps or anything that occur, but sealed all the way around. So I think that's a job well done. The vinyl covering cost me £29. It was about an afternoon's work to get it done. So I'm really pleased with the effect. Hopefully now if anybody has any accidents, we won't be cleaning it up off the carpet. You can pay somebody an awful lot of money, or you can pick up a off-cut roll that's roughly the same size and use your old carpet as a template. I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe to my Fixed It YouTube channel. Give it the thumbs up, share it. Please consider supporting Fixed It. Thanks for watching. Bye.